Welcome students in class B part 3rd, paper first, English literature. As you know that in our last video we have discussed the complete theme and ideas given by Edwin Thumbau in his very short poem, that is Words. Today in this video we have to start its text line by line, because in last video we only discussed about its theme as well as the complete development of thought, and then we also discussed which type of the ideas that was given in this poem. Here one thing is important: you must take this point as a way of education, because poem is not only useful as a point of view of our syllabus and the questions explanation related with paper, but also a poem has its particular justification, its particular utilization and a sufficient application at present time when we are living in 21st century. It is must to know what is the use of words. Words are very important, not only with its wording or a poem, but also it directs us how to speak. It directs us what we speak. It directs us which is the manner of speech. It directs us what is the best way of dialogue and communication. Means, as a moral point of view, the poem has its very deep educational touch. It is a path of learning. Poem is a medium of inspiration, that how to treat with the dialogue, how to win by the speech. You must carefully read it, because everything there is related to our communication skill, related to our transmission to each other, related to our import and export of communication. Everything, whatever we speak, that is inside. Here we read the poem very deeply and try to understand the major thoughts. The basic poem, completely, very short poem, divided into two types of the meaning. First, that is words has not their personality. Now you can understand that what the words is. Words is now using for our dialogue, for our speech. So what poet says here, poet says that what we speak, that has two proper criteria, two proper meaning. Means the meaning of a particular word has their two different angles. The meaning of particular word has their two different angles. Or which angle, which corner, which aspect is more prospective. That is the matter of understanding. So on which the meaning of word depends. On which the meaning of word depends. It never depends upon its translation, its wording. So on which the meaning of word depends, it depends upon your flow of communication. It depends upon your style of speech. It depends upon your language to be used by you. If you use a very soft and sweet language, various words can convert its design and style. Or if you use very hard language, where you can say very bitter language, your good word also convert in bitterness. Your honesty word, your soft word, your delicate words also change its look. They divert to its particular sense. Because the meaning of word is not depends upon its translation. Because the meaning of words are not depends upon its translation or the word is meaning, but its meaning depends upon how to speak. What you speak are not important. How you speak, that is more important. What you speak You may speak anything, no matter, but how you can speak, how your communication develops, how your dialogue improves, how your emotions and sentiments comes out through your dialogues. That is important. So adjustment of emotion, adjustment of your thoughts with your dialogues, everything are important. Try to use it, because it is only your treasure by which you can win anything. It is not a purchasable thing to be purchased in the market. It is not a purchasable thing. You can create it inside it. You can develop a habit of speaking smooth. You can create a habit or a conduct or a feeling that you must speak soft, delicate, impressive. That's why also increase your personality. Personality never depends upon your dresses or anything else. It depends or it shines suddenly as you start to speak. Speech is the first introductory part of personality. Speech is the first introductory part of personality. Try to improve your personality. If your word is power, your communication skill, your way of talking, your style and manner of dialogue improves, we hope your personality is one major part automatically improve. And the second thing that is given in this point, words are medium of expression. Words are medium of expression. That's why you must keep awareness, consideration, and then speed. Because as habit of human being, first we must think about the matter on which we are going to speak. First we must consider inside of our mind that whatever I am going to speak, and then think immediately, then is it a right importance or is it a bad importance? What its result will be upon others? What its effect upon others? What they will think about it? Can my speech be applicable others? Everything should be clearly understandable by your mind, your consideration. So the poem is very short. 2 or 3 things that are important. One, that is the words has no personality. First, that is important. Words has no personality. Means neither the word that is good or bad. Words are same everywhere. Their stable position is same. Their meaning decided by the speaker. Yes, their meaning decided by the speaker. That how the speaker use that word, that is important. What the meaning of that word is important, that is not important. So the importance of a word is not depends upon its structure. It is not depends upon its meaning. But on which its importance depends. It depends upon its flow, its design, its way of talking, its manner of dialogue, its style of speech. So that is important. Yes, so the personality, there is no any personality. Neither the word that is good, neither the word that is bad. Words are neither good nor bad, not valid, not unvalid, anything other. No. Their meaning depends upon what we speak. So that is, the words has no any type of personality. Second important thing, that is speak soft and sweet. Speak soft and sweet. S. Naturally flow. At the time of literary terms, we have discussed alliteration. Being a student of literature, I think you have the proper knowledge about literary terms. Same as there is the repetition of consonant sound again and again. This is alliteration. In Hindi we are calling it anupras. That is not the matter related here, but naturally it comes, so we are discussing about it. The third that is important here, consideration. consideration means any time whenever you speak must be considered that for a moment. Anytime whatever you are going to speak must consider for one time. Or next important, never speak from the back opening. From the back, बस never speak anything from the back. पीछे से कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग के अंदर जैसे ही वर्ड्स कोई शुरू होती है, poet gives more focus upon it. That never speak anything from the back. Never speak anything from the back, because whatever you are telling from back, it's designed directly, converts and become more broad. So you speaking less, but the meaning improves large. So whatever you are speaking, always try to speak in front of anyone. What they feel, that is another matter. What they feel, that is another matter. But every time, try to speak right. Now, I request, as in our today's class, we have to start our points text, that is words. इतनी बातें जो होती है, that is the theme and the subject matter of point. But today, that is the time to read it line by line. So you are requested to observe in your book, that is Poetic Reflection from India and Abroad. I am repeating this book again and again because I know there are also some students, they have not this book. So try to purchase it because it is the base of your syllabus. And now we start without cross and movement. Words are dangerous, especially the simple kind you leave behind for others. Words are dangerous. वे शब्द बड़े डेंजरस, खतरनाक. The word danger used here. कौन से words which especially speaking for someone from the back of others. Try to read it again. Words are dangerous, especially और विशेष तौर से वो शब्द खतरनाक हैं. सिंपल काइंड, ये तो साधारण सी शब्द है, कोई ज्यादा उसमें कुछ नहीं था. You leave, जो आपने छोड़े बोले, behind for others, दूसरों के लिए behind, पीछे से. तो ये सिंपल वर्ड that has not great importance, that has not a proper or a very broad meaning. They are simple word, simple speech, simple ideas and the simple thought. But the fact is that you have spoken it from the back. This was mistake. The words are very smooth, very simple, but this is the great mistake, that you speak it from the back of someone. That is very dangerous. ऐसे शब्द बड़े खतरनाक होते हैं, जो होते तो बहुत सिंपल से, सीधे से, साधारण से होते हैं, लेकिन बोले पीछे से जाते हैं. रिजल्ट क्या आया? पीछे से बोले गए साधारण शब्द भी खतरनाक हैं. The speech that is delivered from the back of anyone, either that is very simple but becomes very dangerous. This is the main sense of poet, that whatever you are going to speak, you must speak it at the front of anyone. Because simple words, even simple words, not the broad word, even simple or very easy words, very easy expression converts its style and shape if you are speaking it from the back of someone. Next, the undesirable relatives and assorted purpose. क्योंकि उसका जो पर्पस बिल्कुल एशोर्ड हो जाता है, स्पेसिफिक पर्पस, एक स्पेशलाइज्ड पर्पस हो जाता है. अनडिजायरेबल रिलेटिव्स, आपके वो व्यक्ति, वो लोग जो इन चीजों को पसंद नहीं करते हैं, यानी आपके द्वारा कहा गया वो शब्द जो पीछे से कहा गया था, आप ही के व्यक्तियों के द्वारा उसका एक विशिष्ट उद्देश्य बना लिया जाता है, उसको एक माध्यम ऑफ, यू कैन से मीडियम ऑफ हेट बना लिया जाता है, उसको एक मीडियम ऑफ बिटरनेस बना दिया जाता है, उसी को एक झगड़े का माध्यम बना दिया जाता है आपके अपने रिलेटिव्स व्यक्तियों के द्वारा ही. तो एवरी टाइम try to speak in front of you because there are someone who is listening your speech and he is indesirable, and then it totally change its meaning. इसके meaning पूरी तरह से बदल जाते हैं. They are understood simply. समझ तो आसानी से और साधारण तरीके से समझ गए कि what you are speaking here, what was your meaning here, what was your expression here, what was their thinking here, or what was their mentality here. They have understood everything here. Everything was in their mind, but willingly, जानबूझकर, they just changed its style, they just changed its look and its shape and design. जानबूझकर के वो इसका मीनिंग बदल देते हैं. एडिटेड, ऐड कर देते हैं और लगा देते हैं थोड़ा सा. आपने कहा इतना सा था उतना बढ़ा देंगे, उसको एडिट कर देंगे. इन लोकल लैंग्वेज यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. एक्सीडेंट कर देंगे, दे जस्ट हाइट खींच देना द स्टेटमेंट, आइदर लेस और मोर, या तो बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा कर देंगे या बहुत ज्यादा छोटा कर देंगे. टेकन विद ए काइंड ऑफ एयर, एक अलग इसको हवा दे देंगे. टेक इन एटमॉस्फेयर, गिव इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ इन माइनर थिंग, छोटी सी चीज को बहुत बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंस दे देना. एक केयरफुल डिस्रिगार्ड, और जानबूझकर के डिस्रिगार्ड, नॉट रिस्पेक्टेड, इस पोजीशन का माहौल बना देंगे. द वर्ड्स दैट वाज डिलीवर्ड बाय यू, द लैंग्वेज दैट वाज यूज्ड बाय यू, द एक्सप्रेशन यूज्ड बाय यू, द वर्ड सिलेक्शन यूज्ड बाय यू, और द मीनिंग, थिंकिंग एंड मेंटालिटी यूज्ड बाय यू टोटली चेंज एंड गिव इंपॉर्टेंस सो एवरीवन कम्स इन नोटिस. तो ऐसे माइनर छोटी सी बात भी बहुत बड़ा रंग रूप ले लेती है. योर एक्सप्रेशन हाइट्स ए लॉट, इट एक्सग्रेट्स ए लॉट, मीन्स रिजल्ट क्या है, हाउ टू स्पीक. रिजल्ट आया स्पीक एवरीथिंग ऑन फ्रंट, बिकॉज द स्पीकिंग आउटसाइड और बैक साइड और बिहाइंड surely converts its design, its shape, its structure, पूरी तरह से बदल देती है. Their playless complicates, और बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट, जटिल बन जाती है. तो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट स्टेज, एंड इन दिस स्टेज poet focus upon the speech. Where we speak, we must speak anything in the front, because the speech or the language or the dialogues spoken from the back surely convert its meaning. इसलिए it is the first request, first moralization, first educational learning given by Edwin Thoreau. Whatever you are speak must be speak in front, because the speech delivered by you from the back side surely converts its meaning. So your main focus, your first focus is to speak soft and front. Next is important है, that is in from after 4 or 5 line. When you mean to be polite, this is the style of communication. Which are the major parts of your speech that is presented? Now we just remind it, and so that you are requested to read down it, that what are the basic suggestion, what are the basic part of speech. Basic part of speech comes to you can understand about it, that which type of caring, which type of suggestions, इसको आप suggestions या care of speech बोलोगे तो ज्यादा बढ़िया रहेगा. So poet speaks about the major cares. These are the care of speech. First we understand what poet says. इन्होंने लिखा है to be polite. Important आप नोट कीजिए. polite, careful. एक उन्होंने लिखा है, बहुत अच्छा वर्ड है, दैट इज एक्सप्लिसिट. इसका मतलब होता है क्लियर, स्पष्ट. एक उन्होंने लिखा है कंसिडरेट, कंसिडरेट का मतलब होता है थिंकिंग करने के बाद, सोच समझने के बाद। एक लिखा है सर्कमस्पेक्ट, सतर्क। Alert means here you can understand that there are 5 major careness that was given by poets. Whatever you are speaking, whatever your dialogues are, speak polite. Polite का मतलब वे जो है स्पीच का, वे जो है it must be soft, साधारण सी सॉफ्ट लैंग्वेज का प्रयोग करना। The word that is used here, that is polite, vinamra. Now means that anything whatever you speak must speak carefully, must speak polite. Carefully is using, it is using for once thing. एक बार तो जरूर whatever you are going to speak must think upon it. Whatever you are going to speak must carefully think upon it. एक बार तो कम से कम सोचिए। Explicit is used for clear. Whatever you are speak, you must clearly speak. Clearly, there is not any type of mix-up, or there is not any type of the ideas that can change later. And considerate, thinking more and more. विचार करें. Considerate, to be considered on every aspect. And circumspect करके एकदम अलर्ट हो, क्योंकि जो कुछ भी आप बोल रहे हो मस्ट बी अलर्ट, फुल ऑफ अटेंशन, दैट इट मस्ट बी राइट। अब देखते हैं हाउ दिस टाइप ऑफ द व्यूज गिवन बाय पोएट इन द लाइन ऑफ पोएम, हाउ ऑल दिस टाइप ऑफ द व्यूज गिवन बाय पोएट इन द लाइन। देखिए, व्हेन यू मीन टू बी पोलाइट, केयरफुली, एक्सप्लिसिट, कंसिडरेट एंड सर्कमस्पेक्ट, एडॉप्टिंग द प्रॉपर टोन। एडॉप्ट कीजिए, स्वीकार कीजिए, एडॉप्ट कीजिए, यूटिलाइज कीजिए प्रॉपर टोन। प्रॉपर टोन का मतलब है वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन प्रॉपर होना चाहिए, जिस वे से इसको इस समय जहां पे बोला जाए वो उचित हो, जस्टिफाइड हो, वैलिड हो। ट्राई टू स्पीक अकॉर्डिंग टू द एटमोस्फियर, उस माहौल के वातावरण के हिसाब से। The word that suitably best usable there must be selected. You are likely to be quoted as saying, so what you are going to speak, it is quoted by everyone. Means क्योंकि आपके द्वारा, आपके मुंह से निकला हुआ हर शब्द हर व्यक्ति के द्वारा कोट किया जाता है। तो this was the first 2 stanzas in which what we majorly focus upon. First, we majorly focus upon what the words are, what its personality. Then we discuss that there is not any personality. Second, we discuss that whatever we are going to speak must be speak in front of anyone. Third, there are some type of caring list. You can call it caring list. Some type of the attentions given by the poet that you must keep these attentions at the time where you are speaking anything. And the fourth important, that is using proper way of style, proper tone of style. Way of communication must be simple and soft. Way of communication is more important than of particular aspects. So whatever you are going to speak, you must consider it deeply and consider it. All these type of the suggestions given by poet are very useful at present era, because at the present time it is not difficult what you know, but it is difficult how to speak your knowledge. So what you know, that is not important. The thing that is important, how you speak. Your knowledge that was delivered by you is more important than the knowledge that is a treasure sitting. So your treasure of knowledge not depends upon your inside accent. It depends upon your outside delivery. that how you can deliver your knowledge. That is important. How you can speak your knowledge. What you know, that what is inside in your mind. In silently you can think everything about some matter. But the thing that is important on a particular occasion, how you can speak. Inside there may be various types of thinking, various types of consideration, various types of knowledge. But the thing that is important, on a particular spot, on a particular platform, or on a particular opportunity, if we have given, then we must utilize our opportunity. Then there is the need to show your talent of speech. So it should be created. Whenever you have given any opportunity, any platform, any chance to speak, must utilize that chance. Never lost that chance. Must utilize that chance and try to get perfect 100% benefit of that opportunity, because it improves you more and more. So these are the first two stanzas of poem. In our next video, we will start the next stanzas of poem. Thank you.